So guys, for this exercise, all you need is a plier box or anything that can get your hip or your leg at 90 degrees. Now what we want to focus on is pushing through the toes as you lift off and also using arm swing to get you as high as you can. So as we set up here, we're going to lean forward, load the front leg, and as we come up, arms are going to come up towards the ceiling. We're going to push off, squeezing the glutes, and at the very top, we're going to come up on our tippy toes and push off with our toes, using our calf muscles to help propel us up towards the ceiling. And again, with all these movements, as explosive as you possibly can, get as high as you possibly can. If you start to tire or you can't get as high as you can with every jump, you're probably fatiguing, so stop, reset, and go for the prescribed amount of reps or time.